Can you go with me? But you don't have pants. You don't have anything. And you're all wet. You're making my seat wet. What are you doing? Huh?
How do you do the boom boom thing?
How do I do? Well, you pull this back. You gotta turn it on first. Gotta turn the key on.
Can I do it?
Once. And if I let you do it once, you have to get off. Deal?
Deal.
Promise?
Yeah. What's on
Alright. There you go. Alright, you gotta get off.
That was fun.
I know, now you have to get off. Okay, hold on, buddy.
Can I do it?
Hockey kid. That's a really nice car. That wasn't honking at you, it was at the guy in front of you.